Hello everyone, welcome to another airdrop video. And today in this airdrop video we're going to be dealing with LBank, right, and the August Mystery Box. Okay, so LBank basically is like a crypto exchange like Binance, Bybit or crypto.com, right, where you can do a lot of crypto transaction and trading of futures, and you can leverage your money there. So in this August, there's this mystery box that they're doing for every new user that signs up. You get from $20, $50, $70 to even $120. So how do you sign up? This is the mystery box, right? So, but before you get in on this mystery box, you have to sign up. Okay, you have to sign up with this particular link. You can see the link with these details, August new user mystery box, right? So once you click on the link, for those who don't have the link, I'll keep the link in this video description. You can just click the link on the video description right below, okay, and you can sign up. So when you're signing up, this is how you sign up for the mystery box. All right, so I'll put in my email address. Okay, you put in your email address. Okay, so I'm putting in the password I want to use, and I'll sign up, right? It's a very simple step signing up. Okay, so they're going to send me a verification code. So my verification code is okay, good. Okay, so now that I've signed up, okay, I'll need to verify my account. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to verify my account. Okay, after I verify my account, then I can have access to the mystery box. Okay, they're going to give me either $20, $50, $120 free deposit bonus for signing up with this link. Okay, so